Hi everyone, in this video I am going to talk about generic methods in Java. The syntax of generic methods is public static open angle bracket type parameter. The type parameter could be one or multiple separated by comma, then closed angle bracket followed by return type of the method followed by method name, and then in the brackets we pass the parameters. Note that type parameters can only be reference types and not primitive types like integer, long, character, etc. Also, generic methods can be static or non-static. Now let's look at the generic method with the help of an example. Here I have defined one main class. Inside our main class we have a main static method, and in this method I have defined one integer list, and then I have defined one string list. Now over here is our print list generic method. So the return type is void and type parameter is e, and in the parameters I am passing the list of type e. So I will just loop through the list and print all the elements. I'm going to use for each method. Now I'm going to just print the value of each element. Here I am printing the new line. So now I will call this print list and pass integer list as an argument. Then I will call this print list method again and pass string list as an argument. Now let me run this program. So you can see that using the same method print list, I can print the list of integers as well as the list of strings. So now let's look at our second example. Here also I have defined one static generic method, and I am passing multiple type parameters k and v, and in the order pair parameters I am passing key and value, and inside the method I am just printing the key and value passed. Now let's call this method from our main method ordered pair. So you can see that I can pass variable of any data type in any order. Now let me run this program. So you can see that I can invoke this ordered pair, and these keys and value pairs are being printed in the console. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys.